Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, which I find very interesting, answering several questions that you have left me. To some of you who have changed the turbo of your car, because it lost oil, they have put a new or exchange turbo and it continues to leak oil. Let's see, in that case the problem might not be in the turbo. I'll explain. For the oil to come out of the turbo, it's because it has worn out the piston ring. This is how this ring is known. Okay, I already have several videos made about this, you can look at the channel. The problem is that, before changing the turbo, you have to check that the problem does not come of the PCV valve, because many PCV valves have a membrane and those membranes, over time, end up cracking. Okay, the function of that membrane is that only the vapors that originate inside the engine come out, to prevent excess pressure. The problem is that when the membrane cracks, and or only those vapors come out, the engine oil also comes out, and since the PCV valve is located before the turbo, then that oil floods the turbo and can give the impression that the problem comes from the turbo. Okay, the first thing to do, always check that there is no problem with the PCV valve or gas separator or gas recirculation filter, depending on the engine. Okay, because on many occasions, the problem comes from here and you tend to change the turbo. Okay, check first the PCV, and if we see that the valve works perfectly, and that then the problem comes from the turbo, then, yes, the turbo is changed. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.